The difference between province life and city life in the Philippines. They're like chalk and cheese. Province life, for me, it's the best. You wake up every morning and that's your view. And yeah, city life, it's good. You have everything there to hand. Here, it's kind of a million miles apart, but for peace, tranquility, inner peace, it's the best place ever in the province. I'm going to show you some of the amenities we have here. So, we have the little sari-sari store, then the twin tub. Now just down here we have a little bird. That's not an amenity. This is our shower area, washing area, and this is our Casilius toilets. Two we do have. So this is what they made for me, and it's great. And then this one, then in there we have a little bucket, a tabo to wash. This is the dirty kitchen area, and now that's too big water. This is my beautiful wife. Homemade weights out of concrete. I think they're like 25 kg. I think, yeah, that one. Then this one in the middle is like 30 kg. And they are 50 kg. That's the dog. Bedrooms. Prayer altar. Baby Jesus, Mama Mary. Of course, television always wrapped up because it's a Filipino house. Fridge. Kitchen, cucina. So for me, province life, village life, it's kabudlay jud, hard life, pero nindot kaayo. Beautiful.